BiosControl Evolve SOG is the antimicrobial booster with an added value. Sodium glucoseptate is known to be a biodegradable replacement for traditional chelating agents such as NTA and EDTA. Consequently, it helps formula stability thanks to its natural sequestration power over a broad range of metal ions. Moreover, it acts as a co-adjuvant of traditional formula protection, showing a broad-spectrum antimicrobial efficacy. It is a fine white powder that you can use both in oil and water phases, is compatible with most cosmetic ingredients, and is more efficient at a pH value higher than 6. We suggest using it at a percentage below 5%, even if it doesn't have any regulatory limitations. For any further information, doubts, or questions that you might have about BiosControl Evolve SOG, do not hesitate to contact us. BiosControl team is here to give you the best support.